Welcome to my Cleanblend commercial blender review. This powerhouse packs a serious punch with its 3 horsepower, 1,800 watt motor, making it one of the strongest countertop blenders around. You'll be amazed at how it pulverizes ice, whips up perfectly smooth protein shakes, and creates velvety sauces without leaving chunks behind. The 64-ounce BPA-free container lets you make large batches, perfect for meal prep or entertaining. Its 8 food-grade stainless steel blades create a powerful vortex that breaks down ingredients completely. The variable speed control gives you precise control over texture. So, whether you're making chunky salsa or silky smoothies, you can adjust the settings to get exactly what you want. It also comes with a tamper to help process thick mixtures, and the sealed ball bearing system means smoother operation and longer life. Plus, the 5-year warranty shows Cleanblend stands behind their product. Power and price tag are what sets this high-performance machine apart. With its robust 1,800 watt motor, you'll be amazed at how efficiently it handles tough blending tasks. It's just as powerful as many high-end blenders that are twice the price. The 64-ounce BPA-free container gives you plenty of space for large batches. You can create family-sized smoothies or processed soup for the whole dinner party in one go. The 8-blade system, made from food-grade stainless steel, tackles everything from ice to frozen fruits with impressive precision. And a variable speed control lets you adjust the blending intensity exactly how you want it. With the Cleanblend commercial blender, you'll get consistent results whether you're crushing ice for smoothies or grinding coffee beans. The stainless steel blades stay sharp and make quick work of frozen fruits and tough vegetables. The 3 horsepower motor gives you commercial grade performance right on your countertop. Your morning smoothies will come out silky smooth without chunks of unblended ingredients. And for extra adjustments, the pulse function lets you precisely control the texture of your creations. A simple control knob makes it easy to adjust the speed to match what you're blending, and the 64-ounce BPA-free container gives you plenty of room to make large batches. The included tamper helps push down stubborn ingredients for thorough blending. The multi-blade system creates a powerful vortex that pulls ingredients down for complete blending. You won't find unprocessed bits stuck at the top or corners of the container. From smoothies to soups, this powerhouse blender adapts to countless kitchen tasks. You can whip up fresh salsas, creamy dips, and even hot soups in the generous 64-ounce container. The variable speed control lets you adjust the blending power for different recipes. The BPA-free pitcher handles both cold and hot ingredients, making it perfect for everything from frozen margaritas to steaming soups. The included tamper helps process thick mixtures like nut butters and frozen desserts. This Cleanblend blender tackles daily blending tasks that would typically require several different appliances. You can make fresh juices, grind coffee beans, whip cream, and blend smooth batters all in one machine. The sleek black exterior gives a professional appearance that fits nicely in any kitchen setting. Your counter space won't be overwhelmed. The base measures just 8 inches wide and deep, though you'll need 19 inches of vertical clearance. The 64-ounce BPA-free pitcher feels sturdy and substantial. Its virtually unbreakable construction stands up to daily use without showing wear. The stainless steel blade assembly uses 8 hardened blades with sealed ball bearings for smooth, reliable operation. The simple control panel features an easy-to-use variable speed dial and pulse function. A tamper tool helps process thick mixtures without stopping. The pitcher, lid, and tamper are all dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Now for the pros and cons part of my Cleanblend commercial blender review. Starting with the pros, the mighty 1,800 watt motor crushes ice and frozen fruits with ease. The 64-ounce pitcher size fits large batches for family meals. Its BPA-free materials keep your blend safe and chemical-free. The variable speed control lets you adjust blending to match your recipe. The stainless steel 8-blade system creates smoother blends. The 5-year warranty offers peace of mind. It has a quieter operation compared to similar powerful blenders. As for the cons, it takes up significant counter space. It may be overkill for small batches. It lacks preset programs for different recipes. The price point is higher than basic blenders. The robust motor makes this blender a powerhouse for smoothies, soups, and nut butters. You'll find the large capacity perfect for batch preparation, though it might be overkill for single servings. The straightforward controls give you complete command over your blending, but you'll need to experiment to find the right settings for each recipe. You'll appreciate how the 64-ounce container handles both small and large batches efficiently. Plus, the stainless steel blades stay sharp and deliver consistent results for years of daily use. The 5-year warranty provides great peace of mind compared to cheaper blenders that might burn out quickly. While it's louder than basic models, the professional-grade build quality and impressive blending capabilities make it worth considering if you're serious about smoothies, nut butters, and other challenging blends. For the performance you get, this Cleanblend model offers excellent value as a durable kitchen workhorse that can handle whatever blending tasks you throw at it. And with that said, I hope my Cleanblend commercial blender review helped you to decide whether this heavy-duty blender is right for you.